Home Show.
Jim from Champion Forest has a question about roof decking.
He's looking for your technical support, Tom, having built a house or two in your day. Jim writes, when attaching roof decking, some say there should be 1/16 of an inch between the plywood sheets. What's your policy?
Could you imagine, I don't know if anybody's ever seen a roof go on and the workers working, that somebody's going to go around and measure 1/16 between the decking. I say, put the decking on and put the roof on, and that's how I answer this question.
Okay. By the way, to settle an argument, he says that I stated that if one had half-inch plywood sheathing, you could nail siding anywhere, whereas with paperboard and the like, you had to seek out studs. Am I correct?
True. Yes.
Oh,
totally
okay.
true. It's just true. Yeah.
So if you put half-inch plywood up across the whole house, you can just put the siding up anywhere you want on it.
Half-inch plywood is becoming the norm, especially for windstorm regulations. And, yeah, you don't have to worry about finding nails from the siding with studs. No, because it's a half-inch piece of wood behind what you're putting up. Yes.
All right.
He's absolutely right, and I don't know why him and his friends are arguing over this.
Because they're friends, and it's a drinking game probably, right? All right, you got a question? Go ahead and send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom button, fill it out, and send it in. We'll answer it just like this. Put it in a video that we put up on our website, our YouTube channel, and our Facebook page. We appreciate all y'all who like our Facebook page because you're finding out when we have something new.